In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request plus capture eSignatures in PandaDoc. If you're new to PandaDoc or just need a quick refresher, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to place signature fields and send your document so recipients can sign quickly and securely. First, open PandaDoc and click on the document that requires signatures. This could be a proposal, contract, or any form that needs acknowledgement. As soon as the document opens, you'll land in the editor. Think of the editor as your workspace. Your document is front and center, and your tools live in the panel on the right. Now it's time to add the signature fields. In the right-hand panel, look for the signature field. Click and drag it onto the exact spot in the document where you want someone to sign. You can resize the field and position it precisely so it lines up with your signature line or designated area. If multiple people need to sign, drag out additional signature fields and place each one where it belongs. While you're working, take a moment to make sure the fields are clearly labeled or positioned so your recipients know which field is meant for them. If your document also needs other elements, like text fields for names, date fields, or checkboxes, you can add those now as well. The goal is to make the signing experience obvious and effortless for your recipients. Once your signature fields and any other required fields are in place, you're ready to send. Go to the top right and click Send. You'll have two simple options: send by email directly from PandaDoc, or copy a link that you can share. Sending by email is great when you want PandaDoc to handle delivery and provide a clear, trackable message to each recipient. Copying the link is handy if you prefer to send it yourself through chat or another channel. Either way, your recipients will open the document, click on the signature fields you placed, and sign. They can draw their signature, type it, or upload an image, and PandaDoc will capture it neatly in the correct spot. That's all there is to it. Open your document, use the editor to drag in signature fields and any other fields you need, then send it by email or share the link. Your signees simply click the fields and sign, and you're done. With this workflow, you'll keep your documents organized, reduce back and forth, and get signatures collected faster.